Dear veterinarian, welcome to Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. In this slide, we will see a very important disease, a protozoal disease, trypanosomiasis. In part 1, we will study synonyms, definition, etiology, hosts, transmission, and epidemiology of trypanosomiasis. Trypanosomiasis is recognized by various synonyms, and a very famous name in India is Sara. The Sara is Hindi of a rotten word. Actually, in Hindi, it is called as Sada, Sada. So, name is derived Sara. It is called Sara in all hosts. Another very famous name is Tibersa or Tibersa or Tinbersa. That is common name in camels. The name derived from it is a chronic disease, generally persists for 3 or more years. 3 years, teen varsa. So when the disease lasts for very long time, 3 years or more, so name is derived teen varsa or tibersa. It is also very popularly named as circling disease, chakri, because here in the cerebral form of trypanosomiasis, because of the effect on central nervous system and hypoglycemia, the animal moves round and round in a circling way. That's why the name is given circling disease. Going to the introductory portion and the definition, it is infectious protozoal disease caused by Trypanosoma species, belong to family Trypanosoma stomatidae. The trypanosoma are intercellular, not intracellular, intercellular parasite in blood and lymph of the host. So they are not in any cell, but they are freely moving into the blood and lymph of the host. Trypanosomiasis occur in almost all domestic animals: cattle, buffalo, sheep, goat, horse, donkey, camel, pig, and dog. All animals are affected and is clinically characterized by high rise of temperature, fever, anemia, one of the important findings. In chronic cases, there are wasting. In some cases, there are cutaneous eruptions, and circling is observed in many animals. Looking to the characteristics of etiology, the most important etiology is Trypanosoma evansi. Others are there, but they are not producing characteristic of the disease. Trypanosoma evansi is found in most of the cases. These trypanosomes divide by binary fission and they multiply very fast. They are found freely roaming in blood and lymph. Trypanosoma evansi is monomorphic. That means morphology remains same, shape and size remain same, but occasionally some parasites may change their shape and size called polymorphism. Very few. The shape and size of organism, they are slender, thin, subterminal kinetoplast. There is undulating membrane and a prominent free flagella. With the help of this undulating membrane and free flagella, the organisms are moving and motile in the blood. As we have seen, it occurs in almost all hosts. But it is a very important disease in camels, horses, and dogs. The cattle and buffaloes are also get infection, but their infection status varies. It may show clinical disease, acute disease, subclinical disease, and even carriers also. Sheep, goat, dogs, cats, and donkeys are also affected. The wild animals, tiger, fox, jackal, hyena, mongoose are affected. And this wild animals create a problem for control of the trypanosomiasis because they are constantly sharing the infection from forest to domestic animal. The rodents, rabbits, and guinea pigs are also to some extent susceptible. Transmission of trypanosomes. Here the transmission is mechanical transmission. There is no development into the vectors. Mechanical transmission by bites of flies and ticks, mostly flies. The vectors are mostly flies, and most important species of fly is Tabanids, Tabanus. Other flies are Stomoxy, Hematopoda, Hippobosca, and ticks are Ornithodorus. Vampire bat is also a transmitter of the disease. So mostly it is transmitted by mechanical transmission, by bites of flies and ticks. There is no development in flies, only mechanical. Mechanical means the flies pick up the infection while sucking the blood, and when they suck the other healthy animal, they transmit the infection. Mechanically, by non-blood sucking flies also, they pick up the infection from infected meat and open lesions on the animal, and when they sit on the lesion of the other animal, they transmit the disease. Dogs get infection by ingestion of infected carcasses. The dog eat the infected carcasses and get the infection. A very important thing is for the veterinarian, the infected needles also transmit the disease during mass vaccination and during treatment if there is inadequate sterilization. So it is requested that needles must be changed at every injection. Here we will see some of the aspect of epidemiology. Disease is very widely distributed in tropical and subtropical countries because of high rainfall, flood situation, and hot humid climate. because that is the favorable for the flies for multiplication. It is present in all states of India. Many times there are carrier status, some of the wild and domestic animals, and they are constantly a potential source of infection to healthy animals. Various stress factors also act as a predisposing factors for the disease. The stress factors reduce the vitality of the animal and increase the susceptibility of the animal. Various stress factors are malnutrition, vaccination program either by viral or bacterial vaccination, or presence of intercurrent diseases. These stresses reduce the vitality of the animal. Continuing the epidemiological factors, there is one term, trypanosoma tolerance or trypanotolerance. Here, in animals, there is parasitemia. Parasites is present in the blood of the animal for a long period, but these animals do not show any symptom, generally remain in a good health. That is called as trypanotolerance. Again, these animals are also a source of infection to the healthy animals. The high incidences are coincides with heavy rainfall and flood situation because this brings a stress. This creates a hot, humid climate, and it is more suitable environment or favorable for breeding and multiplication of insect vectors, flies. There is great economic impacts. There are three reasons. One is the livestock productivity is greatly affected. Livestock management is affected, and due to this disease, there is migration and settlement is also changed. So it affects the economy of the farmer also. Friends, share this information to the other veterinarians or the needy people to promote and to support the channel. Subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video. Next time we'll come with trypanosomiasis part 2.